Hey everybody, and welcome to the video series where I try to build every single piece of furniture for our house. So far, I built a big bed for our biggest daughter. I built 2 benches for both of the kids. I built a bed for my wife and I built a spice rack from an old diving board for our kitchen. And now this week, I want to build a bookshelf that has a couple cool extra features, but what makes it extra special is I kind of go back to when I built the bed for my wife and I, because if you remember, I wasn't really happy with the initial design.
I did not like it. For some reason, it looks cheap to me, especially with the dimension of the boxes. They're just too big. It just doesn't look good. It's off. It's not what I want to do.
I want to redeem myself. Those 2 boxes made of walnut plywood, I kind of wanted to turn it into something else. And now I saw this is the perfect opportunity to turn these boxes into a bookshelf with some extra features. And I also have some leftovers from Tiny's bed build, solid walnut. And I think with those 2 leftovers, I can combine the trash of 2 projects and build something completely new with it. Here we go.
more. Yay! Look at that. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yes.
I want the yellow one.
The yellow one?
Yeah.
That's about spaceships.
I like spaceships.
Yeah, me too. Look. That's me. It's me in that spacesuit. Can you believe it?
And what were you like?
What was I like? I was overheating a little bit. See how red my face is? Okay, this is the bookshelf, my redemption project, because I turned it from something that I really did not like into something that I'm already in love with. I love that it has its own light, so you can just chill out, sit there, read a book like we just did. I mean, the fact that my daughter just ran up to it and picked a book, sat down to read it, kind of shows me that it's working. It is inviting, and that's what I like. I also love that it has room for a plant. I love that it doesn't have a back wall, so you can see the beautiful adobe wall and see the light and the shadows reflect on it. Altogether, I'm very, very happy with this project. Before you go, let's hear about this week's sponsor. Every project comes with a new set of problems, and it is my job to solve all of these problems. And this constant challenge is probably my favorite thing about building stuff. You have a certain amount of time, you have a certain amount of materials, you have this vision in your head, and you have a certain skill set. And it is your challenge to bring all of these things together. And this is what I have in common with this week's sponsor, Brilliant, because they, just like me, love to become better thinkers, problem solvers, and just quicker minds, I would say. Because Brilliant is where you learn by doing, with thousands of lessons in AI, math, programming, and data science. They, just as much as I, believe that it is much more effective to learn by doing versus have somebody preach to you about the things that you want to know about. Like in this video where I try to figure out the exact angles that I need to make a segmented curve. It is much more effective to me to draw it once, figure out the angle, 15 degrees, rather than just have the math equation and somebody telling me you need 15 degrees. Doesn't that make a lot of sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. I have to draw it once and now I know how it works. And this is my way to hack my way around math, because I always say I am not good at math, but I am good at problem solving, and they're kinda sometimes the same thing. And Brilliant approaches that with their math classes. Brilliant's comprehensive range of math courses are built for learners of any level, even mine. Whether you want to brush up on fundamentals or challenge yourself with advanced concepts. You can enhance your visual and partial problem solving skills, and you can focus on the essentials. If this got your interest and you want to check it out for yourself, you can go to brilliant.org/LauraKampf or scan this QR code or simply click the link in the description, and Brilliant will give you 20% off of your annual subscription. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank Brilliant a lot for their ongoing support on my channel, and I will see you next week with a new video.